शाबाशिया शाबाशिया।
Then, in the houses, first we have Azad House captains, Arpit Sarathe and Anshika Mehta. Vice captains, Sheikh Rizwan and Ragini Patel in red, representing passion, power and courage. Next is Bhagat House captains, Netrika Thakur and Prince Rai. Vice captains, Anukriti Dubey and Abhiraj Patel in blue, symbolizing the spirit of service, loyalty and wisdom. Then we have Gandhi House captains Namami Patel and Arpit Gurjar. Vice captains Parinita Patel and Harshit Manji in green, reflecting growth, peace and fertility. Next we have Tilak House captains Rishika Prajapati and Jatin Koli. Vice captains Rishita Dubey and Devansh Patel in yellow, standing for joy, optimism and high spirit. Dear all, put your hands together and welcome your newly elected student council. Clap should be louder. Now we request Suhana Mamta to invite our chief guest for the inspection of the 4 houses.
अनुमति।
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
To please come forward and command the students.
All the group, attention. Parade, आगे बढ़ेगा. Dande, move. Parade, बंद से तेज चल. आजा था, गाने पे.
Dear all, please direct your attention to the front and welcome our pilots Aisha Patel, Soumya Patel, in between Marshal Sheikh Omar, who are entering the arena and presenting our school's flag. So please welcome them. Let's show our appreciation with a warm round of applause.
Marshals and pilots, attention. Slow
Students,
march के लिए.
please welcome them.
Ready, 1,
Huge round of applause.
2, 3,
Louder
start.
claps will be appreciated. A school flag acts as a visual heartbeat of any institution. It fosters unity and identity, symbolizes values and encourages leadership. The challenge of leadership is to be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be bold but not arrogant. So let's move ahead with this thought towards the batches and the session ceremony. Let me take the pleasure to invite Suhana Mohta as a president of Beersheba International School for the honor. Suhana, please come up on this stage. Suhana, she has been reading in this school since nursery and topper in 10th standard in Peparia in all the 3 schools with 95% of marks. And last year also she was the education minister and she did her duties faithfully. And I request our respected principal ma'am and the chief guest to bestow her with the badge and the session. Chief guest to bestow her with the badge and the session. Official remarks for appointment as the leader of the student council. So put your hands together and welcome your new president, Suhana Mohta. Next invite is for Gunjan Sharma as a vice president of Beersheba International School for the honor. With our chief guest and principal ma'am to bestow her with the badge and the session.
Malia, Prime Minister, Veer Shiva International School.
Anuja Bijoria, Deputy Prime Minister, Veer Shiva International School.
Shaurya Thakur, Speaker, Veer Shiva International School.
Prachi Patel, Education Minister, Veer Shiva International School.
Sahil Vatre, Cultural Minister, Veer Shiva International School.
Rajput, Cultural Minister of Veer Shiva International School.
Anjali Sharma, Health Minister of Veer Shiva International School.
Haryom Purvia, Health Minister, Veer Shiva International School.
Neeti Sharma, Sports Minister, Veer Shiva International School.
Yashwardhan Singh, Sports Minister, Veer Shiva International School.
Arpit Sarate, Azad House Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Anshika Mehra, Azad House Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Prince Rai, Bhagat House Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Netrika Thakur, Bhagat House Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Arpit Gurjar, Gandhi House Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Namami Patel, Gandhi House Captain of Veer Shiva International School.
Jatin Kori, Tilak House Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Rishika Prajapati, Tilak House Captain of Veer Shiva International School.
Sheikh Rizwan, Azad House Vice Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Ragini Patel, Vice Captain of Veer Shiva International School.
Abhiraj Patel, Bhagat House Vice Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Anukriti Dubey, Bhagat House Vice Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Harshit Manji, Gandhi House Vice Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Padneta Patel, Gandhi House Vice Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Devansh Patel, Tilak House Vice Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Rishita Dubey, Tilak House Vice Captain, Veer Shiva International School.
Do pledge in the name of God that I will carry out my duties faithfully, sincerely, and to the best of my capacity. I pledge that I will be impartial to the students in carrying my duties. I will also respect the teachers and the rules of the institution.
Cabinet Secretaries.
Thank you, ma'am. With the badges of responsibility now proudly adorned, our newly elected student leaders stand ready to embrace their roles with dedication and purpose. This ceremony is not just a formal function, it's a celebration of responsibility, leadership, and trust. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to young leaders who are being entrusted with various roles today. Now, our newly appointed President wants to share her insights here. So I invite Suhana Mohta to please come on the stage.
Good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, honored Chief Guests, esteemed parents, and respected teachers and my dear friends. Before I share my vision, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected Principal Ma'am and all the teachers who believed in my abilities and entrusted me with this prestigious responsibility. Vidya dadati vinayam, vinayadayati patritam. Knowledge gives us humility and humility leads us towards true worthiness. This timeless wisdom beautifully reflects the spirit of our school motto, enlightened to lighten. These words remind us that the true purpose of education is not just to fill our minds with information, but to shape our character, broaden our perspective, and inspire us to become compassionate human beings. As the president of the school, I do not aspire to be the loudest voice in the room. I aspire to be the voice that ensures every student feels heard, respected, and empowered. I envision a school culture where learning extends beyond the classroom, where curiosity is encouraged, creativity is celebrated, learning is joyful, and mistakes are embraced as stepping stones to growth. Together, let us strive to create a culture where respect is instinctive, empathy is our greatest strength, and every student discovers the confidence to become the best version of themselves. Thank you once again for this incredible honor. Let's have a memorable academic year ahead.
Thank you so much. अंत में मैं हमारे आदरणीय अतिथि महोदय को मंच पर बुलाना चाहूंगी। कृपया आप मंच पर पधारें और अपने विचारों द्वारा हमें अनुग्रहित करें।
Scout Guide Class Go!
बोलो भारत माता की। जितनी जोर से आवाज आना चाहिए आई नहीं। बोलो भारत माता की। वंदे वंदे जय। देश सेवा इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में इस शपथ ग्रहण समारोह में हम सबके बीच में उपस्थित आप सबकी लोकप्रिय और अनुशासन और जिनके मार्गदर्शन में ये स्कूल संचालित हो रहा है, सम्माननीय निशा सिंह जी, और हम सबके बीच में आज वर्गीस जी नहीं हैं, पर उनकी मेहनत और परिश्रम यहाँ देखने को मिल रहा है। मुझे अच्छी तरह याद है तो बाबई से बस से आते थे और स्कूल को उन्होंने अपनी मेहनत, ईमानदारी और लगन से एक की जगह 2 स्कूल कर दिए। जी एक बार जोरदार ताली बजाकर हम वर्गीस जी का भी अभिनंदन करेंगे। और हम सबके बीच में मेरे परम मित्र सम्मानीय सुनील जी गुप्ता जी, जो कॉलेज में मेरे जनप्रतिनिधि भी हैं, और साला परिवार के सभी गुरुजन, टीचर्स।
Thank you, sir, for motivating our students. Now, I request our respected principal ma'am to please come forward and present the vote of thanks.
माननीय विधायक जी, मुख्य अतिथि सुनील गुप्ता जी, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हमारे प्यारे पेरेंट्स, आपकी वजह से आज ये बच्चे यहाँ खड़े हैं। आपका भरोसा, आपका विश्वास, जिसके कारण आज ये बच्चे इस पोजीशन पे यहाँ खड़े हैं, और सबसे पहले आपको हम धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे। जैसा कि विधायक जी ने बोला,
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं।
I am Suhana Mohta, President of the school. My position comes with a simple responsibility: to be approachable, to represent every student fairly, and to ensure that your ideas and concerns are heard. I hope to lead with integrity and set an example through my actions.
Our school is driven by potential, passion, and purpose. I, Gunjan Sharma, Vice President of Bir Shiva International School, promise to stand by, to amplify your ideas, celebrate your success, and to represent a collective strength. Let's lead with confidence.
I, Adarsh Malvi, as the Prime Minister of Bir Shiva International School, promise to lead with integrity, listen to your ideas, and make this school year extraordinary.
I, Anuja Bajoria, Deputy Prime Minister of Bir Shiva International School, promise to carry out my responsibility with discipline, dedication, and honesty. I listen to your ideas and turn it into actions and uphold the values of our school.
I, Shaurya Thakur, I am deeply honored to be elected as a new speaker for Bir Shiva International School 2026-27. A great cabinet relies on communication, and I ensure that every voice is heard. So together, let's build a legacy of excellence, leadership, and unity for Bir Shiva International School.
I, Prachi Patel, Education Minister, Bir Shiva International School, sincerely promise to do my work with dedication, responsibility, and honesty, to create a positive environment so that every student voices can be heard. Every talent is valued.
I, Sahil Batre, deeply honored you to stand as the Culture Minister of Bir Shiva International School. I promise to bring creativity, celebrate our diversity, and make each and every program vibrant and memorable.
I, Mahima Rajput, Cultural Minister of Bir Shiva International School, I truly grateful to my respected teachers for trusting me with this responsibility, and I promise to work with a dedication and sincerity and make every cultural event successful.
I, Yashwardhan Singh, Sports Minister of Bir Shiva International School, promise to support every student in reaching their potential and ensure our school thrives through hard work, unity, and discipline. Thank you for this opportunity to serve you all.
I, Neeti Sharma, standing over here with deep gratitude to Bir Shiva International School for this incredible honor. As your sports minister, I promise to turn our passion into performance. I will support every athlete, build unbreakable teamwork, and lead our school to new heights. Let's play, win, and grow together.
I, Hariom Purvia, your newly elected Health Minister, thank you for believing in me and giving me this responsibility. I promise to carry out my duties with honesty, discipline, and dedication, and work for our school.
I, Anjali Sharma, Health Minister of Bir Shiva International School, promise to encourage good hygiene, healthy habits, and a clean environment.